Hi everyone, so I am back with a completed journal. So the other day I showed you a kit that I've made and I've called it Blue Dreams. So I made a journal using that, and there's also a little add-on kit as well. So the journal is, I'm going to call it Blue Dreams. It is 8¼ height, 5 width, 1 signature, 40 pages front and back, and obviously I've decorated it. So the image that I used here as well, I think that's a freebie on my shop. The word here is from a word digital kit that I've got. This is one of the pages from the add-on kit, I believe. This will be for sale over in my shop if you want to go and check it out. So we've got eyelets, I've done some stitching, we've got some lace trim here as well, and a butterfly that's from ARTYmaze fabric here. Alright, so a little quick look there. So, excuse me, this is one of the pages from the kit, and I printed with other blue digital kits that I had, like, so that both sides of the papers were covered, not just with coffee paper or coffee dyed. Got a pocket here. I think this is we've got some French wallpaper that's in the add-on kit, which I've made some tags with. I think this is in the add-on kit. Yeah, because the main kit is actually just the pages, so all the tags and ephemera and things and extra papers are on the add-on kit. This is from TaylorMadeJournals, and we've got some lace trim here. We've got a tag there, that is from the add-on kit. And we've got a flip up here, and this is from the old design shop. And you can journal on there and up here. This is some lined paper of some sort, which has been coffee dyed. We've got a blue sticker here and a tab. This is from my squared digital kit. It's just squared paper, and there's loads of different choices of colours of background. We've got a label. This is one of my kits as well. The label's ARTYmaze, and again the sticker. I've got a pocket here. Another little tag, that's the vintage wallpaper. This is, it might be from me, but it's not up yet. I've got some French papers to go up. Little snippet there, butterfly. That was a scrappy piece in my scrappy box. Labels ARTYmaze. I don't know where that's from, and that is from the add-on kit. I don't know where they're from. Pom-pom trim and a bead dangle. That's some penmanship paper, I can never say that. We've got a little flip there, which the classic Rita Donnelly corner flip. Little cluster there. Another tag. Again, that's from the add-on kit. This is from the add-on kit as well. Excuse me. A little tab. This is from TaylorMadeJournals. We've got a double pocket there. This is, I think that's from the add-on kit. These papers, I think one's from the add-on kit and one's from the main collage papers. And a tag there. And now my cat's going to start annoying me. Couple of tags here, again from the add-on kit. There's some music paper printed on the back there. That is from the French wallpaper, and this is actually one of the Polaroids, and I just used some little ephemera pieces on there. We've got some lace trim, and we have a little metal piece, a little bit of hardware, and it says, I believe, this excuse me. I nearly choked then on fresh air. I mean, I can trip over nothing and choke on fresh air. Little, I was going to say bead hearts, but they're not, they're paper hearts. And a pocket here. And again, I think this is going to be a kit that's coming out soon. And one of the Polaroids are there. Well, they're called framed photos. Oh, I didn't put... I think that now I'm thinking about it, there's 2 tags I need to add. I need to do a bit of journaling on here. Or that's what it was. It was one, because I put all the tags in. That's what it was. I put all the tags in, and then that's the same little girl. I didn't realise that. I decorated that. I put all the tags in, then I go around and decide how I'm going to top them. And yeah, I thought it's that one, and I need to put a topper on that as well. Silly me. I'll do that now. We'll do that as I speak. And I've just put all the blue stuff away, so I'll just have to drag it all out again. What am I doing? Oh, it's this bit. Yeah, I'll have to drag it all back out again. It's not that difficult, it's just in a big folder. Sitting on the table outside of me. Where's all my scissors? We'll use these ones because I think scissors are underneath this white sheet. So we've got a little cluster there. I'll have to put one a tag in here. That's the one I forgot about. Yeah, that's probably why I'd put 2 there, because it was supposed to go back in there. Journal card there, I don't know where that came from. And some French letter there. This flips out, and this is from the old design shop, and that is one of my pages. Another bead dangle on some lace trim. Couple of tags here, and this is from one of the pages as well. I made a pocket from that. Oh, we got a sticky page there. The old design shop. Cat's trying to get in my bin. Crazy cat. Don't know where that's from. That is from my kit. Little flip up. You can. That's a pocket. And that's a pocket, and that just goes in there like so. Sticker, little cluster here, that's my paper. I'll put all the links to my stuff down below, so you can go and you can go check it out. That is from one of my other digitals. It's a blue, shabby blue, I think it's called. And then we've got that one there, and the back page. So that is the journal. So if you're interested in this, you can find this over on my shop. The link will be below. And my cat is making such a racket. She's not going to stay in here for the next video. She was sound asleep. It's like kids, isn't it? Like when you get on the phone, they just want to, like, Mum, Mum. Mine used to do that all the time. In fact, some of them are older and they still do it. So anyway, I'll link all the kits that I use below, and if you have any questions, you can just ask, and I'll put the link to this in the journal section in my shop. So I will speak to you all soon. Bye for now.